Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you want to add Google search bar to the home screen of your Android smartphone but you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin our video, you need to unlock your Android smartphone. Once you do so, on the home screen you need to tap and press for a bit long and it will open the option right at the bottom. You can see them. There is the option widget. You need to tap on that. A list will open. You need to scroll down where you will find the option Google, and as you can see there are 5 more options in Google. All you need to do is to tap on the drop down arrow and it will expand and you will find the Google search bar right here. So you need to tap on that, and once you tap on it, the add option will appear. You need to tap on add and it will bring you here, and here as you can see there are themes that you can select. You can select the transparency as well. So once you selected everything and you are okay with the customization, you can just go out from this, and as you can see the search bar has been added to the home screen. So guys, this is how you can add Google search bar to the home screen of your Android smartphone. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.